between Mars and June. Two straight satellites out of tune. Your voice a comet's quiet flame fell through the orbit of my name. Oh, we were never meant to stay, just passing lights in the Milky Way. You pulled me close and disappeared like Jupiter's storm that never cleared. I still feel the drift of your gravity, a slow collapsing memory. The stars pretend they understand, but even time slips through our hands. The distance shimmer like a lens flare, soft as the echo of a prayer. We try to speak in lunar tones, but space has ways to keep its own. We were never meant to stay, just passing lights in the Milky Way. You pulled me close and disappeared like Jupiter's storm that never cleared. Constellations draw your face, then fade into another place. I chase you past the cosmic ray, but I just find you once again and lose you all the same. We were only a flash, a fleeting hue, a nebula that almost knew. If Mars taught me what longing is, then Jupiter showed me what distance it is. I try to paint the silence in gold, but every word I touch turns cold. Your echo still hiding in the room, like perfume fading too soon. Really, I'm still calling your name in the dark. Really, every shadow remembers your spark. I'm not sure if it's love or just a memory. Oh, yeah. I play it cool, my pulse flips triplets. You talking lowercase, I land between the letters. If falling has a style we tailor, it's slender. Ooh, blue turn steel, the skyline shifts its tone. Every drop a metronome, counting us alone. If love is simple moments, here's the perfect. We loop the quiet city on an urban drop, unspoken pride. Drop, unspoken pride. Every drop a metronome, keeping us alone. Turnstiles ping, you're not after you. Folded maps, choose page 2. In love and sample moments, here's the perfect. We loop the quiet city on an urban drop, unspoken pride. Drop, unspoken pride. Blue turns steel, the evening sets the tone. Every drop a metronome, keeping us alone. We cut the hush to rhythm lifted from the top. Let the needle breathe a bit. Drop, time like a broken reel, trying to touch what I can feel. All of these threads are tied too tight, unravel in the quiet light. We're linked but not alike. Two hearts lost in a cloud tonight. Your signal fades, I try to stay, but love got lost along the way. Your words still hum like static rain, half a song, half a stain. You say we're fine, but it's all delay. Our memories buffering away. We're linked but not alike. Two hearts lost in a cloud tonight. Your signal fades, I try to stay, but love got lost along the way. We talking lowercase on a rainy call. You say it's not you, time's too small. I trace your name on a fogged up screen. Hit save, not send, keep it clean. If the wave comes in, don't promise the shore. Just count to 4, then count once more. Hold what you can, let the rest go forward. If we can't turn back, don't pretend we did. I'll meet you where the streetlights dim. Hearts in the water when they can't begin. All you can do is swim, swim. Just swim. Say my name soft and swim. Your sweater on the chair keeps leaning. Hold my playlist still, ask who you're leaning on. We try to rewind, but the button sticks. So I carry the quiet like a simple fix. If the pull feels strong, don't fight the pull. Keep your stroke small, keep the moment full. I'll hold the calm if you take the lull. If we can't turn back, don't pretend we did. I'll meet you where the streetlights dim. Hearts in the water when they can't begin. All you can do is swim, swim. Just swim. Say my name soft and swim. If we can't turn back, then we won't pretend. I'll see you where the lights grow dim when love goes. Every echo sounds like you, fading through the stereo. I keep replaying what we knew, like the tape could make it whole. I look up at the sky, and I wish that I could fly, light as a feather. Think of all the time we spent, and I wish that I could fly, light as a feather. Your perfume's on my heart still. City lights, don't try. You said it's not goodbye, just time. But time don't feel that kind. I look up at the sky, and I wish that I could fly, light as a feather. Think of all the time we spent, and I wish that I could fly, light as a feather. We can start tomorrow. And the old folks next door gotta work, but you and I know I won't make it back home after working 10 days in a row. So I'll stay at my friends. We'll drink what we have left. Maybe text you again. I might regret it, but I wanna see you, yeah, before I get on the plane. So let me know when I get seen at 2 a.m. Can you keep it low? The weekend starts tomorrow, and the old folks next door gotta work, but you and I know we'll make it back home after working 10 days in a row. I'll finish what we've got left. Set a 5 a.m. alarm. Draft the words I never sent. I might regret it, but I wanna see you, yeah, before I get on the plane. So let me know when I get seen at 2 a.m. I wanna see you, yeah. On nights like this, I still think of you. I can hear your voice when I close my eyes. In my dreams, you hold me in my dreams, and I wake up all alone. I can't look at any pictures, I can't see your favorite view. Every time I see our friends, they remind me of you, they remind me of you. I'm trying to be the person that I used to be. I'm trying to hide this hole that's burning in my chest, but everything you used to say keeps haunting me, and it's all because of you. I can't look at any pictures, I can't see your favorite view. Every time I see our friends, they remind me of you, they remind me of you. I can still hear your voice when I close my eyes. And I wake up all alone. I can't look at any pictures, I can't see your favorite view. Every time I see our friends, they remind me of you, they remind me of you. Faded signs on the boulevard glow. Empty glass with our echoes still cold. You laugh in the draft of a closing door. I follow, but I'm never sure. Pages turn through the ink runs thin. We pretend it's the place we've been. Every light says move along, but I still hum your fading song. Come along though the night feels hollow. Carry me where the echoes follow. If the silence cuts too strong, I'll break it soft. So come along. Silver trains hum a borrowed tune. Empty seats still remember you. I chase after clouds that never stay, but your name paints the quiet gray. We were strangers in a borrowed time, half a truth beneath the quiet signs, late conversations too calm to dare. Your expression drifted through the air. Don't think too much, but your eyes were already walking away. A weekend affair, it felt like forever. Soft hands lying, trying to remember how love can bloom between the lines and fade before the Monday signs. Your coat still smell like rain. I kept it close, like some refrain we didn't promise, didn't dare. Just silence folded in the air. Let's keep it light, my dear. But I heard goodbye between your tears. A weekend affair, it felt like forever. Soft hands lying, trying to remember how hearts can meet and never repair. A fragile dream, a weekend affair. Now I trace your name on fogged up glass. The moment gone. We met between Mars and June, two stray satellites out of tune. Your voice, a comet's quiet flame, fell through the